Welcome to Learn and Talk. Let's learn Arabic and English in a fun and easy way. Learn, speak, and enjoy every day. I wipe the floor. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I wipe my mouth. I tie my hair. I turn on the water. I turn on the water. I turn off the water. I turn off the water. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I use shampoo. I use shampoo. I hang the towel. I hang the towel.
I use toilet paper. I use toilet paper.
I put on clean clothes. I put on clean clothes. I use soap. I use soap. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face.
Rinse your mouth to stay clean.
Okay, all done.
Great job!
I dry my face. I dry my face. I clean the mirror. I clean the mirror. I stand at the sink. I stand at the sink. I close the cabinet. I close the cabinet. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.